Hello, welcome to question 10B of WASSCE 2025 Nigerian edition section B. In the diagram, A, B, C, and D are points on a circle where the line AB is parallel to the line DC, and AC and BC intersect at what? X. The angle BDC is 40 degrees. We have to find this angle ACD, and the angle AXD. Now we have to just employ the sum theorems for circle theorem, and first of it is going to be angles subtended by a chord in the circumference are what? The same. So if I can locate the angle that the chord BC, this is a chord, is forming at where D is 40. The same chord BC is forming the angle part of it here. So I can also say this place is going to be 40. Let's see. I can indicate here to be 40 degrees if that concept is going to be true. Now, if we look at the parallel lines given to us, if these are parallel lines, then a line BD become a transverse. A transverse in such a way that there is an angle from here called alternate angle to this, and this also equals to this. Hence, I can also say the angle here is what? 40. Now, if that is true, then the angle here, which is going to be AXD, is going to be an exterior angle to the triangle ABX. So I can find this easily. Okay, then what again am I asked to find? ACD, which is what? ACD, this very angle. Now I can see that this angle is also formed by the line AD, which is a chord forming the angle 40 here. This will also be 40 degrees. So that's the concept I'm going to employ in here. So first off, to say angles subtended by an arc or a chord at the circumference is what? The same. So we can say angles in the same segment are equal. If that is the case, I'll begin with the first angle given to me, which is what? BDC, right? Therefore, we can have the angle BDC equals to the angle here, which is going to be angle AB. It should be BAC, which is also going to be 40 degrees. That's the first angle I found here, this very angle. And I think I can also build on that to find this angle here. Let's as well find this angle. We can say that the angle we have here, which is, what is it? And also angle BDC equals to this very angle. That will be the angle ABD, which is also going to be 40 degrees as the property as alternate angles. So if that is also true, then we can say that the angle now we are asked to find here will be this. I can also now find this, which is going to be then let's go to the angle we have here. ABD equals to the third angle I am asked to find, ACD, which is also going to be 40 degrees. So property is also angles in the same segment. So I can go ahead and say question 1, which is angle ACD will be equals to 40 degrees. That's the first part of the question. Then the second part, since I'm looking for this, I can say that the angle I am looking for, which is what? AXD equals to the angle BAC BC plus this angle, which is also going to be ABD. This is an exterior angle equals to this and this. The property is going to be exterior angle of a triangle is equals to the sum of two opposite interior angles. So this is equals to this and this in there. So therefore, we can say the angle AXD equals to 40 degrees plus 40 degrees equals to 80 degrees. So the concept we build in here will give you the very important angles that we are asked to find. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and come back for more.